does he dress like that? And I felt bad because in my heart I loved him so much, but I didn't want to be not cool. So I kind of forgot about him. And then one day my mom came home and said, your godparents, we got tickets to a Michael Jackson concert. Inside I died because I had never been to a concert before. But I thought, gosh, I can't tell the kids at school I'm going to a Michael Jackson concert. And then we got to the concert, and I had never seen something so big, and we were sitting so far back. I was thinking, well, how are we going to see him? I'm so far back. And then Michael Jackson came on the stage, and he did that thing where he'd stand there and he'd just open his heart, and everyone was still. And I cried like a baby. I was so embarrassed. I didn't know what was happening to me, but just tears were streaming down my face. I didn't want anybody to see it, but I couldn't stop it. And when he died, I was in Italy, and I remember just being heartbroken because I hadn't thought of him in a long time. And it really affected me, and I really started to think that he was this sensitive soul that just wanted to do so many good things, and he was so vulnerable, and all those things that we loved about him were the things that we tore apart. And so many artists, he made me think of Marilyn Monroe the same way, this vulnerability that we love so much on camera, but we're so easy to criticize. And one day, when I was in Paris, actually, I got really lost. Like, my parents are going to love to hear this, but I was in a neighborhood I shouldn't have been in. And I had no map, I was lost. And all of a sudden, I started to hear Michael Jackson playing. And I turned around, and there was a store. And it was like a Parisian version of the Cloverleaf. It had flashing lights and every Michael Jackson thing I ever wanted as a kid. No joke. In Paris, huge. And I walked inside and no one was in there. And I thought, I wonder if this is a sign. And since that moment, I've heard Michael Jackson's songs come up when I'm feeling alone, and it makes me wonder that, I wonder if somehow he's guiding us in ways. And I miss him a lot. Looking out into the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, where walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do it that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, the city's heart begins to beat. Hear that boy, he knows I'm watching. I'm dreaming of the streets. Why? Tell him that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell him that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. reaching out into the morning. The city's heart begins to beat, reaching out to touch your shoulder. I'm dreaming of the streets. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why? Yes, girls, doesn't do me that way. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, does it do me that way? I like living this way. I don't want your money, sir. I came out here because I was told to. And now the night is here.